Okurujerwali Dr. Kalisa ba investor balinu bareba hanshonga ezikwatirine no kushemeza amafuta nk'okukirukwija kwera abanyayuganda n'amahanga gajetoroire.
Kitalibanize muno kibaire kyokora refinery rundi isenge ijero y'amafuta kandi isenge ijero limbikuru ukura bintu bibiri cyo kwanza okuba no turukia amafuta aheru weta notayina isenge ijero
nashoborora nguba investor bariyonu bashwijuma hanshonga ezikwatirine n'akatare ya Kensiyona hatari kurebera hari project ezakatare akomundo mwihanga ahabwo kubaba investor babasa kutandika kutekateka ahabyo kuhindura MP hamwe n'obuvuyo ari kugira ngo tikiri kirungi okwegamira ahari ba investor enduga mahanga ahabwo kutungura omutindo gwo kushemeza amafuta.
The people in Bunyoro, some are ready to go. Like we are ready here, and a couple of people are ready to go to join the oil sector. A number of people, on the other hand, have been very slow at adjusting themselves to be part of the oil industry. That's a big challenge which we need.
Omuhabuzi wa presidenti ahabya amafuta nashobora ngu okushijuma no kushoma ahabyo kushemeza amafuta kukakorwira. Kandi n'ekintu kirungi ezirkwija kweraho ombya amafuta konka ngu nhetenga MP hazirkwija kweraho okutungura eishemerezeri.
Otwamazire kuzora amafuta mwaka wa 2026 kandi obu hayi tumazire kuruga mu mwaka gwa 1982 twatandikire kusera twaraba mu kurungi twaje twagatunga mu 2026 obuirobu eko kubanza twatwina kora enkora rundi policy ya mafuta
yagumzamu no kushobora ngu emitwaro nkaga ya baro z'amafuta irashohore buri izoba okuzishemeza ncetenga obuhumbi buna obwa dola ya Amerika ari kugira ngo nobu eihanga ryinembarirwa yesente nche kwonka hatekwamo ezindi okurakuranisa ishemerezeri eihanga neribasa kutunga MP hanya mwinji omuburo mwaka gwebyesente
ebindi bikwetagisa kutukia amafuta nka hali gakuturukira oil field hali gakuturukira aho ebyone bikahoyira kurungi lanka ekwogya ebyo bikuogya kurungi amafuta kuyihamo buchafu ebyo nabyo birayikuwa kurulanka tilenga bulisa rundi kuno hasi.
Dr. Kalisa yahabura abantu ba Bunyoro okweta omyanya mirungi eyo kwija kugobora ombya amafuta ari kugira ngo abantu abamwe bayitebekanise kare okugobora konka abandi nibatamburira ha speed nche.
Ekikuru muno kirinti ekintu tusazire yes tukerere yirwe abo kuba haroho ebintu bingi tukatwina kukora bayite kirungi kirinti gonze tukerere yirwe hati umuhero gw'amafuta murungi.
Ernest Rubondo ori executive director wa Petroleum Authority of Uganda yashoborora ku government yahereze kutunga investor obariyo nibakoregana nawe ahakutungura omwanya gw'ishemerezo ry'amafuta kandi okuteka esente omukoro murumogu nicho ministry y'ebyesente eteire hesera.
Government has found an investor who they are working with to develop the refinery. Aspects of financing projects is more of an investment aspect that the Ministry of Finance has. If the Ministry of Finance feels that they have enough money to finance the project, they can come up and say, put this in the government projects and we fund it.
Gasha Kwagad asaba habwata ya West.